Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to move the destination pin on Uber. So, I was booking on Uber the other day and noticed something simple but super useful. I didn't actually have to stick with the first destination I type in. So, I opened the app, set my pickup point like usual, and instead of rushing to type a full address right away, I just slid down the plan your ride section so the map opened up properly. That's when I realized you can actually adjust things visually instead of relying only on text. I tap around the map, move them pin a bit, and watch the destination update in real time, almost like dragging a low marker to where I actually wanted to go. It felt way more intuitive than I expected. Once I dropped it on the right spot, Uber instantly updated the route and pricing without me doing anything extra. So yeah, instead of retyping everything, you can just move the pin and let the app figure it out. Honestly, makes the whole booking process feel a lot more flexible and less stressful. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.